This morning, a new lawsuit is being filed, adding to the growing list of women now accusing Eastern Michigan University and countless others with not protecting them on campus and allowing alleged predators to attend school while being accused of rape. There are three fronts to this story: the criminal case, the civil case, which we are focused on now, and the university claiming it's not their fault. Eastern Michigan University has been under a cloud of scrutiny during the last year over accusations of rape allegedly being swept under the rug without proper investigation or follow-through. We've learned this morning a new civil lawsuit with 7 additional women will be filed against EMU, its police department, Title IX, plus 2 fraternities.
It's the same pattern of conduct by the people that were supposed to protect the women. That knew about these rapes, knew about these assaults, but yet didn't take the proper precautions to protect the women.
A total of 34 women now have civil lawsuits against the university. The latest one added just a few days ago.
Very sad, tragic case where the young lady committed suicide after she was raped, and 6 months after she was raped, committed suicide at EMU, found in her dorm room.
I sat down with their attorney, Todd Flood, to talk about these women who want to remain anonymous. We're calling all of these women Jane Doe.
Yeah.
Jane Doe 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes on and on. Why?
To protect them, you know. They've already been ostracized enough.
This whole case began in 2020 when a student at Eastern told her mom she had been raped. She was the first Jane Doe victim to press charges, but she would not be the last. How did you get the courage to now be sitting in front of me?
I thought that it only happened to me with this person, and there were more of us that were hurt by this person. And after I realized that, it was just kind of like enough is enough.
According to the lawsuit, countless women had gone to EMU's Title IX department. What is the purpose of a Title IX department?
Title IX is put in place to protect the environment of students and make sure that they are in a safe harbor, just like an HR department.
The lawsuit alleges that many spoke directly to Melody Werner, who led Title IX, but has since resigned. Tell me, what did you say to her?
I told her that I was sexually assaulted and that I didn't know what to do, and she told me that there was nothing they could do.
What was her reasoning?
Because there's no evidence.
Last week, the university filed a response to the lawsuit. It says Werner has denied these accusations. The school also stood by prior statements Werner made denying that she deterred a student from reporting a gang rape. The university also saying in part, it cannot act on cases that it has no knowledge of, and denied that it could act in the cases they were made aware of because the women did not want to take action or the information came to them anonymously. Our response does not dispute or challenge any survivor's allegation that they suffered a sexual assault. It focuses on the important legal distinctions between what the plaintiff's counsel claims are the university responsibilities in these cases and our actual responsibilities under federal law. The suit claims many of the alleged victims went to EMU's police department, where they say they felt victimized twice. Flood says this case broke wide open when 2 Ypsilanti police officers, both women, refused to turn a blind eye.
Women were being raped. It was pronounced on EMU's campus. They found one, right? And then they heard about the others and they started getting leads.
Now, there is not enough time in a newscast to go through the twists and turns of this case. Coming up on Action News at 6, you're going to hear more from the women who say they were viciously raped while students at EMU. They sat down with me exclusively to talk about their fight for justice. Sure hope you watch tonight on Action News at 6.